How to change country on Play Store. Follow the instructions. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu, then tap on General and choose Account and Device Preferences option. Scroll to the Country and Profiles section. You'll see your current country and available new country option. If eligible, tap the country you want to switch to. A prompt will appear to add a new payment method. Tap Add Credit or Debit Card and enter valid payment info for the country you're switching your Play Store to. Confirm the details and tap Continue to apply the new country setting and link your new payment method. Restart the Play Store app. The content, prices, and apps will now match your selected new country settings. Remember, you can change country only once per year, and your old balance won't carry to the new country. Thank you for watching.